I'm going to show you how to do basic formatting in Excel. And as you see, we've got a little table here. We've got some words in column A, and we've got some numbers in sequential order to 25 in column B. Now we're going to start off with bolding some cells. So I'm going to select some cells, and if you hit Control B, it makes your cells that you've selected bold. I'm going to select some more cells, and I'm going to hit Control I to make them italicized. If you want to underline the words in the cells that you select, if you hit Control U, that will underline the cells for you. If you do want to alter the way your cells have been underlined, you can use it in the ribbon itself and choose a double underline. But if you want to return back to the single, just go back and click the U for underline once you select it. If you want to select all the items within your table, hit Control A whilst you have one of the cells selected. If you then want to select the whole sheet, then hit Control A again and it will select all rows and columns. If you want to select a specific row, like the whole entire row, you can do that by holding Shift and then hitting space, and then you can have a whole row selected. So if I was to copy that and I was to paste it at the bottom, you see it is copied everything that was there. If I want to select an entire column, I can hold Control and hit space, and that will select the whole column. If I then copy that and then paste it, that will bring through everything that was in column A that I had selected. Now, if I want to hide a selected row, I can select my row. So say I want to hide row 26, I'll do Shift space and then followed by Control 9 to hide that specific row. And say I wanted to hide a column this time, I'm going to select column C. I'll hit Control space to select the whole column, and then I will select Control 0, and that will hide the whole column.